Hi there, I'm Brianna with WTI, and this is my Firskids video baby monitor.
Here is the audio quality of the camera. It comes through really clear on the speakers, and I am totally satisfied with how it sounds, and I love that I can also talk to the camera. And here is the audio quality coming through the camera. So you can see you have two-way talking, which is great.
The monitor that it comes with is wireless, so you can unplug it, take it around the house with you. It has a little kickstand to put on the table. And from the monitor, you can control the direction and the tilt of the camera itself, which is so cool. And the quality for this price point is great, you guys. So whether you need to watch your kids, your pets, or keep an eye on your house, I don't think you can go wrong with this camera. Plus, it looks like a cute little penguin on your shelf, so I think that this is a great camera and monitor set. And that's my point of view.